Hello guys! So ito na. Ito ang ating setup ng ating bagong-bagong Hollyland Mars X. Oh, ganun talaga, Mars X, diba? So, ayan guys. Kinabit natin ang Mars X natin sa ating Fuji XT2 para ma-wireless natin. Siyempre, ito is receiver lang guys. So, yun nga, kung nag-ano kayo, naghanap kayo ng low budget na monitor, this is one of the best low budget monitor in the market, which is ang Hollyland Mars X. Ayan nga guys, baliktad ba? Tama. Mars X. So ito guys, ito na yung pinaka, ito, diba? Ayan, DJI. Ito yung pinaka affordable na on-the-go pocket size na monitor. Actually, it's not a monitor guys, it's a transmitter, yes. Yeah, it's a transmitter wireless monitoring device. Kasi pwede nyo gamitin, you can use your iOS and Android device as your monitor. So just download only the application called Hollyview. So eto, pakita natin ang Hollyview. So punta ka lang sa App Store nyo or sa Android, ano ba? Google Play, Android, Play Store. Yeah, tapos type nyo lang Hollyview. Hollyview. Ayan guys, so meron na akong Hollyview. Actually, naka-download na ako ng Hollyview kasi tinasting natin. Open nyo lang guys ang Hollyview. Pero, before you open the Hollyview, make sure, ayun. After you download the Hollyview, then check your Wi-Fi settings. So just go to your Wi-Fi settings and it will be there, the HLD or the Hollyland D. I don't know what's D, but Hollyland in the Wi-Fi HLD. Ito nga guys. Then after you connected from the HLD, the password is default password is 128 1234567 8. Yeah. Then after you connect guys, then you can go now to your Hollyview, which is ito yung icon na to. Yan. So yan. After you connect already the Hollyview, sorry guys. Yeah. Before you connect guys, I forgot. So yung camera natin, we need only the HDMI cable. Actually I have micro HDMI, depends on your camera. So I have micro HDMI direct from the Hollyland. But if you have external monitor, for example, I want to use two monitor at the same time. Yes, you have a monitor from your cameraman, which is this one. Then I have another US HDMI cable out para we can connect to the Hollyland. So at least you have two monitors. Or if you don't want to use another monitor, you can use only one monitor, which is this one, Hollyland. Just direct the HDMI. It's HDMI cable guys, normal. So ito siya. So this is the Hollyview. So ayan, makikita nyo dito, you have selection of your Mars product. So just select the Hollyland Mars X. Ayan, just connect. And after you connect, make sure that you are connected from your camera already, the HDMI cable, and your camera is open. So check input source. Walang patay. Check input source. Ayan, wala pa rin siya. So we need to connect again. Check input source. And guys, it's loading. Check input source on device. Ano to? You need to power on. Sorry. Patay yung aking main. So, ayan guys. So, this is our monitor now guys. Come from the Hollyland Mars 300X. Hollyland Mars X. Ito yan guys. So, ayan, makikita nyo. Yung pinaka-output natin, which is from the Fuji XT2. Ayan. So, ayan, makikita nyo si Direct Brian Puntanar. So, shoutout kay Brian Puntanar. So, ayan guys. Kung gusto nyo package size monitoring device, and it's 300 feet. So So, laway sa tumama. 300 feet guys. So, iyan natin, itetest natin yung distance niya mamaya. Itetest din natin kung may interruption. For example, kung meron kayong mga divider or hindi siya open area, we will test all distance guys. But again, ayan, makikita nyo, dyan si Brian. Oh. Tapos, pag sinum out natin, zoom in natin. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? So, okay siya. Then, eto rin ang ating, siyempre, nakatutok yung natin. Tawag dito, ang ating Osmo action for secondary camera. So, mali na siya guys. Ang ano mo lang, siyempre, only for, dito may tools din siya guys. May 3D lot. Ayos, di ba? So, dito may zebra, pwede mo makita yung zebra on. Meron kang framing. Oh, ang ganda ng framing niya guys. Merong framing, magnify, false color, monocolor. So may tools din dito, may settings, ayan. So guys, sa magandang ano siya quality. Ano to? Wait, may photo. Maintindihan to. So ayan. Okay, nawala na ako guys, pero eto siya. May boost. Wala. So, eto lang guys. I-test natin, pero sa akin, panalo na siya. So, kung meron kayong, if you don't want to spend more extra money or cash to buy an extra monitor, then this is one of the best wireless monitor device. Actually, it's a video transmitter device. So, ayan. Again, you can use your iPad or any Android device. Ayan lang. Ito nga guys. Diba? Para kunwari kung meron kayong client o meron kayong director, so at least you have one monitor for your cameraman, or even if you have your own. So, ayan. Diba? Pwede kang habang nag-broadcast ka dito kung wala kang monitor and still you don't have in any monitors, you can use this one guys. Ganyan mo lang siya, diba? Okay guys, so ayan, may papansin nyo guys, wala rin siyang napaka-minimal siguro ng lag nito guys. Ayan o, medyo hindi talaga siya wala siyang, siguro may delay, like hindi mo ma-notice, like similar with the Mars 300 and the Mars 400. Yeah, ano siya, parang 0.00 something. Our product for today, the Hollyland Mars X. And ito nga guys, so we will test the distance and quality nitong Hollyland Mars X. So ito siya guys, nakakabit na yung Hollyland Mars X natin sa, ayan, di ba? Ito yung monitor, di ba? Naka-wireless na siya. Ito na mismo yung pinaka-output. So ito, atras na tayo guys. Ayan, hindi ko lang kung may marinig pa tayo. So, ayan. So, naka-transmit pa rin dun sa ating Fuji XT2. Naka-wireless pa rin siya guys. So, ayan. Still connected. Naka-connect pa rin tayo. Medyo malaylay na tayo sa shop. Pero ayan guys. Di ba? Still connected pa rin. Abot na ako dito sa bandang ano namin, tawag dito, skill. So, ito, tripod. So, ayan, kaya niya. Ganito kalayo. So, imagine, naka-wireless, you have a wireless monitor for this, I think it's 300 feet. So, medyo try natin umakyat, di ba? Okay tayo. Yan, hindi pa rin naputol yung connection guys. Still, ito connection, but yung audio ang nawala. So, nawala yung audio natin. Gagamit natin yung audio is yung dito sa Osmo Action natin. Kasi meron mga audio dito sa Osmo Action. So, ayan, pero yung video niya guys, andito pa rin yung video niya. So, okay pa rin. Ang audio lang talaga ang nawala. Kasi nga, sa connected audio is separate connection for our monitor HDMI. So, it doesn't matter. But ang video, the video is nice guys, still connected. So, ayan. Kahit may interface, I cannot see already the camera. But, yeah. Diyan, ewan ko lang kung dito mag-block na kasi may interference pagka may block. Ayan, so balik na lang tayo guys. Try natin bumalik. Yan, at wala pa rin tayong audio. Hindi nasaga pang audio guys. I think our audio Saramonic is only 100 meters, but the video is 300 without interference. So pag may blocking o interference o block section, gaano siya. Ayun, so ito, bumabalik yung audio natin. I think yung audio is bumabalik. Diba? Pero malayo na siya guys. Imagine, andun yung ano natin.
G-Shop.
So 300 feet. It's
Ayan. Ganda na.
Diba? So
pwede siya magano. Pwede gamitin. Dapat ang lens mo rin is also telephoto lens. Maganda siya guys. Again, try natin mag-block dito. I-block natin. Kasi meron dito. Hindi pa siya nawawala guys. It's okay. Try natin dito sa likod naman. We'll try here. On the other side. Kung may interference and the video is smooth. Ayan, nawala ako sa framing. Alabas na lang ako dito sa may escalator. Diba? Okay siya guys. I think the Mars X, it's a good quality wireless transmitter for your mobile. And ito, gamit natin yung mobile natin siyempre, di ba? Transmit siya. Yeah. So ang audio natin kanina nawala na. I think the audio is only 100 meters. But the video until 300 feet guys. So it's very nice. And again guys, so flex lang natin yung mga gamit na ginamit natin on this vlog. So ayan, sa-isahin ko guys, magugulat kayo sa setup na pinaggagawa namin setup. Siyempre ang ating pinaka main camera now guys, it's the Fuji X2. Actually this camera is made for photography. So pero meron siyang video capable because it's already 4K with 24 and 30 frames. But yeah, so we use now as our main camera kasi we use the X-T2 for a sample. Yan, para i-sample natin regarding for our Hollyland Mars X. At syempre, ito, nandito rin ang ating Osmo Action, ang Hollyland Mars X, at ang ating ilaw doon sa likod, which is the Forza 300 na may 120p na Godox na octa. At ang ating microphone, of course guys, ang microphone natin na Rode VideoMic Pro Plus na naka-wireless gamit ang Saramonic. So, ayan. Guys, diba? Ang dami ng setup namin pinaggagawa dito. And again guys, so ayan, pe-flexing nga natin ang ating team. At before anything else, siyempre, papasalamat tayo sa ating mga subscribers. So, dadagdagan naman ating subscriber. Maraming salamat. So, again, huwag nyo kalimutan, road to 5K tayo. Panag 5K, alam na natin, magano tayo? Bibigay tayo ng mic, siguro. Microphone, of course. And again guys, so shoutout natin ang ating Team Positive. So, shoutout sa ating Team Positive admin and members. At syempre sa lahat ng mga bagong papasok sa Team Positive, welcome kayo. At syempre, ano ba? Ayan, shoutoutan natin mga tao nandito. So, at syempre, again, maraming salamat sa mga nagsusubscribe sa atin at patuloy nanonood sa ating channel. So, ayan, sana wag kayong magsawang mag-suporta sa ating sa mga vlogs natin regarding photography, videography, and syempre ang ating personal sneakers.